So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you the new Silvercase desk organizer which I ordered from Amazon. So before unboxing, first let's take a box look. So on all the sides of the box we have got some pictures of the product as well as its brief description. By the way guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe as well as click the bell icon to get notified when I put a new video up. As always, the best buy link is in the description, so check it out. So let's unbox it. So these were the things we've got in the box. So let's first check out the user manual. So the user manual is just useless, so don't read it. So these are two rubber hooks for your charging cable. And this is a USB cable. And this is a pen holder. At first impression, I can say that it is a bit heavy. At this side, we have got a power in port for that power input. And on the other side, we have got 3 USB 3.0 port which can be used for charging as well as data transfer. Front and left sides are completely plain. On the front, we have got a square-shaped compartment, a rectangular-shaped compartment, and two small square-shaped compartments. Above that, we have a charging port stand and a pen holder, and at the back, we have a tablet stand. At the back, we have two cable management groups in which you can organize your cables. And one thing I forgot to mention that it has a removable pen stand, so you can take it out whenever ink spills and wash it. It fixes in its place tightly. So now I am connecting the power cable. Before that, I am telling you how to fix your charging cable in this charging stand. First, you need to take out the charging cable from the little hole and then push it into the hook which we have got and then insert in its position. You need to make some little adjustments to make it work properly, like I am doing here. As you can see, it fits very nicely in its place. You can connect the charging cable directly to the socket given in the desk organizer. And now let's check whether it works perfectly or not. So as you can see, it is charging my phone and works fine. Now let me connect other accessories and show you. As you can see, it is charging all my devices simultaneously. Now I am keeping my accessories and giving you a brief look. First, I am keeping my tab in the tab holder, keeping some sticky notes, pen drive and stapler in the rectangular compartment. And some staple pins and a pen drive in the square compartment. Keeping a notebook in the large square compartment and keeping a eraser and a sharpener in the other small square compartment. You can use this another USB hook to divide the pen holder. Now I am keeping some of my sketch pens and pens in my pen holder. So this is how this pen stand looks like. So this much of things this pen stand can hold. It is one of the best organizers to have on your desk. So guys, this was my video. Make sure to give it a like, comment down below. Till then, stay home.